Hey there friends, welcome back to the Modern Era YouTube channel. Today we're talking about something that affects almost all of us at some point in our lives, credit. Yep, that little plastic card in your wallet can be your best friend or your worst enemy. So, how do you use credit wisely without falling into those pesky debt traps? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have actionable tips to take control of your finances and make credit work for you, not against you. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about what credit really is. Credit is essentially borrowed money that you agree to pay back later. Simple, right? But here's where it gets tricky. Things like interest rates, credit limits, and your credit score. Let me break these down for you quickly. APR is the annual percentage rate, which is basically the cost of borrowing money. A lower APR is always better. Your credit limit is how much you can borrow, and your credit score is the magic number that determines how much lenders trust you. Aim for a score of 700 or higher for the best rates. Understanding these basics is your first step toward using credit responsibly. Now, let's talk strategy. Okay, here's the deal. Credit cards can be a double-edged sword. They're convenient and can help you build credit, but they're also a fast track to debt if you're not careful. Here's how to stay on the safe side. This is the golden rule. Avoid carrying a balance whenever possible because interest charges can add up fast. Think of your credit card like a debit card. If you wouldn't buy it with cash, don't charge it. Late payments can tank your credit score and lead to hefty fees. Automate your minimum payments to stay on track. Try not to use more than 30% of your credit limit. This shows lenders you're responsible with credit. Now, let's talk about some common debt traps and how to dodge them like a pro. Paying only the minimum might seem convenient, but it'll keep you in debt for years. Always pay as much as you can. Credit cards make it easy to overspend. Create a budget and stick to it to avoid surprises on your statement. 0% APR balance transfers can be helpful, but only if you pay off the debt before the promotional period ends. Read the fine print on your credit card agreement. Annual fees, foreign transaction fees, and late fees can sneak up on you. Alright, you've avoided the traps. Now, how do you actually build a healthy credit history? It's simpler than you might think. Start with one card. If you're new to credit, start with a single card and use it for small regular expenses like gas or groceries. Over time, mix it up with different types of credit like a car loan or a mortgage. Lenders like to see variety. You can get a free report from annualcreditreport.com. Look for errors and dispute them to keep your score accurate. Building credit takes time. Be consistent and your score will grow. So, there you have it. The keys to using credit wisely without falling into debt traps. Remember, credit is a tool, not a crutch. With smart habits and a little discipline, you can take charge of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who could use these tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. We at Modern Finance are not financial advisors. This is for educational and research purposes only. Until next time.